Do you want to speak English fluently in 2025? Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply loves the English language, this video is your ultimate guide. Today, I'll share powerful tips, proven techniques, and daily habits to improve your fluency. So, let's get started. Section 1: Mindset for Fluency. First things first, develop the right mindset. Stop fearing mistakes, they're your best teachers. Stay consistent. Even 15 minutes a day can bring massive improvement. Section 2: Practical tips for fluency. Think in English. Train your brain to think in English, not just translate. Speak every day. Find a speaking partner or talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Watch and listen. Immerse yourself in English content, podcasts, movies, and YouTube videos. Learn phrases, not just words. Focus on useful phrases instead of isolated vocabulary. Section 3: Daily Practice Plan. Here's a simple daily plan: 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes reading, and 10 minutes writing. Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, you'll see amazing results. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning! This is English Guru, signing off. Keep practicing and stay confident.